Well, hello interwebbers. It's time to enter deja vu mode because last week I was doing an oil change on the Merc. This week I'm doing, what can you guess? Yeah, an oil change on the BM. But the sun's coming out. It's been bloody freezing all morning. I went flying this morning, distraction. Went flying the helicopters this morning. It was bloody freezing, but yes, sun's coming out. I can see blue sky. Makes it all the better. Right, shut up, get on with the job. Right, you know the drill by now. Turn it round, jack it up, get underneath, do the business. Right, we're all up in the air with the axle stands underneath. Don't panic. Right, crawl under, undo the bolt, drop the oil. So, the one good thing about these cars is the oil change is easy. You haven't got to take all this off like the Merc I recently done. Let me shuffle back a bit, because the sump plug is just there. Look at that, you got a nice little cover, or a nice little opening for it. So I think it's either a 17 or a 19, but I'll let you know in a second. But there you go, nice and easy to get to. So it is a 19. There you go, straight on there, 19mm. Right, let's get my oil tray, let's crack it open and drain this old oil. There you go, oil tray at the ready. Right, give me a minute, I need 2 hands for this. God, why do I do this to myself? You get ready. There's a bit of wind about, so I hope it doesn't blow it everywhere. It's nice and warm, so it should come out pretty quickly. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there you go. Oh, did you see anything? Did I have the camera in the right angle? Probably not. Right, let's concentrate on what I'm doing, not videoing things. There you go, we just reduced to a dribble now. Yes, right. Next job, get up the top and take the filter out. Lovely. Now again, easy to work on here. We've just got the filter just there. So let me find, I think it's a 22 off the top of my head, but let me find the correct socket and I'll be back. No, I'm not going to do the Arnie thing.
I'll be back.
No, I was way off the mark. It's 27. 27. Right, let me crack it. So much easier working on this than the Merc. Still got it in the air. Still get in there. Right, it's going to be a bit of spillage, so bear with. And there you go, she's out. Notice the pin at the bottom. You're going to need to keep a note of that. And a new filter to replace it. A mould one. Mould? Merd? Merd. One of those filters, whatever that says. Sure, you German counterparts are going to tell me what it means in the comments. Thank you. I told you the pin was important. There it is. If I recall, last time I put the pin in place in the container, then put the lid on. I think that's what I'll do again. And of course, yeah, there they are, in there. Can you see them? No, you can't. Let's get them out. Come out. Out. Thank you. Yeah, we have, because mile are really good, or however you say, yeah, that word. They give you a new rubber for there, just there, and for the sump plug, a new copper washer. Lovely. I've got to say, it does amuse me. The filters used to be massive years ago. I think the one on the bike's bigger than these, and the oil change I've got to do. That's the Merc one. That's the BM. 1.8 turbo. Okay, needs to flow for the turbo. 3 litre, twin turbo. They're tiny. I'm sure they work, but they're tiny. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, let's put you down the hole. See in there, you probably can't, but there is a hole where this peg goes. So I'm going to insert that first, like that. clicks in place. Lovely, can you see that? My camera works terrible, I know, but that's clicked in the hole. I'm now going to put the cap on top. That's the easiest way to do it, rather than fiddling about trying to get it in the hole in the first place, because if you miss the hole, I mean, you're in for a world of trouble. And if you crush that peg, you're in for even more trouble. Is that making sense? Nah, probably not. There you go, so the new O-ring's in place. I'm now going to just screw it in there, like that. Yeah, good camera work this, you can see everything I'm doing. Nice. There you go, don't cross-thread it, don't. Right, let's get it bolted up. There we go, back together, torque to exactly 25 Newton meters. Yes, it is. Don't challenge me, it is. I'm telling you, 25 Newton meters, torque to it. Right, sump plug back in. There you go, sump plug with a new copper washer. You can reuse these if you heat them up to the glowing red. I think anneal it's called, re-anneals them, makes them soft again. So you can reuse them, but if you get a new one, why wouldn't you? There you go, back in place again, 25 Newton meters, click click, job done. Right, time to chuck some oil in the top. I might actually put it on the floor now. Yeah, I think I will. Yeah, you know the drill by now. Best funnel in the world. Some nice oil. Patronus. It's good enough for the Formula 1 teams. It's good enough for me. But I can't imagine my wildest dreams they use this. But hey, who knows? I could be proved wrong. But apparently it's got exceptional efficiency and protection. That was the cheapest. Any leaks? Of course not. Don't be silly. Okay, that's 5 litres in. Shall we check the dipstick? Yes, it has a dipstick. I know, BMW with a dipstick. Look behind here. Not many people know this, but I do. Dipstick. Look at that. Look at that. Proper old school dipstick. Right, it doesn't look like anything on it at the moment, so officially it takes about 7 litres, so let's put another one in at least. Right, that's 6 litres. Let's have a check. Well, just down the bottom. It's going to set the full 7 litres. Well, no, it is because I've done it before. Right, that's about 6.5. Let's have another look. Yeah, about in the middle. You won't be able to see that, but I can. Right, I'm going to start it up, let the oil flow around, and then switch it off, leave it a couple of minutes, get it on some level ground, and from there should be about right. Gotta say, after an oil change they do sound a lot sweeter. Not that it's going to sound any good on camera, because the camera seems to pick up every noise and amplifies it by 10, but it's quite a sweet sounding diesel engine for a diesel. There you go, all checked over in the place it needs to be, and the cover's back on. So all I need to do now is tell the car that it's had an oil change, and then remeasure the oil, because it measures the oil as well, just to make sure everything's okay. And then I've got a cabin filter to do. Maybe I'll do the cabin filter first, because it's a bit of a pain. And oh, thanks for that, Mr. 90s. Good grief. Yeah, thanks for that. Finished? Yeah, finished. Thank you. What I was trying to say is, make sure you recycle your engine oil responsibly. That's gone down our local tip. You need a permit now to do it, so won't be today. Right, now I've got to drop this panel under the glove box, because that's where the cabin filter is, so let's do it. Right, panel down, just a couple of 10 mils under there. You'll see them, you just got to feel. Okay, so once this panel's off, again 2 screws, ever so easy. This is where you have to become a contortionist. So the actual cartridge area is up there, but you've got it's 3 screws in there and such. Yeah, 1, 2, one at the back here somewhere, and then a clip there to drop it. Again, it's not easy to get to, and it's probably not that easy to video either, so let me get on with it. So there you go, there's the 3 screws out. I think a Torx T20s, something like that. I'll double check in a minute, but I'm sure it's a T20s, one of them anyway. There you go, that. And that's what your cabin filter is. Not the easiest job to get to, but again, not the hardest job to do. Right, it's going to make a pigging mess, so I need to get something under that before I drop it. Oh, there you go, that's what it looks like when it comes out. It's not in that bad a condition actually, but yeah, it's only a few quid to get another one. So it's just awkward to get to. I think the filter comes straight, but you have to sort of, looks like you have to bend it a little bit. So yeah, let's struggle getting that back in again. Okay, maybe the old one was a little bit filthy. What do you think? Old? New? And there you go, new filter in, all back together. Sorry if I didn't video enough for you, but to be honest, it is a difficult job, but to get your camera in there and actually take you through the job, it's more difficult than doing the job itself. But yeah, literally got the 10mm bolts, drop this panel down, and then behind it is, as I showed you, that cover, 3 screws, drop it down, put your new filter in, job done. It's not well, it's not terribly difficult. It's just you've got to be a bloody contortionist to get in there, and I'm too old for this anyway. Right, that'll do for now. I am going to reset the oil counter now and do the oil level check. I might video a bit of it for you, but I'm not going to go into huge details because it's quite boring, as well as probably this video has been already. But anyway, we are done. That's the oil change done. We're all good for another year. Right, I think my trusty old iCar soft should do it, but let's try first. So OBD port is, oh, let me get you in focus. Hey, it's down there. Ignition on, radio down, of course. Oh yeah, it's binging and bonging. So in theory, let me get you in shot because that's a rubbish bit of camera work. Oh, now the bleeding aircon's come on. Hold on a minute. Turn that off. Right, we're back. Right, so go into service. Why do I try and do this one-handed? Oil reset. Oh, hold on. Enter. BMW. Thank you very much. Some of that. Thank you. Hopefully, where are we? 4 series. What are we? 32. Yeah, something like that. Manual reset. Software reset. Engine oil. Do I want to do it? Yeah, go on, do it. Communicating, blah 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 blah. Available 100%. There you go. Right, we are reset. Excellent, one thing done. Well, after that sterling camera work, now what I've got to do is get it on some level ground because my drive is not level. Right, we're on some level ground, so let's go back. Right, so let's go into vehicle information, vehicle status, engine oil level okay, excellent. Measure engine oil, start measurement, measuring the engine oil, raises the revs a little bit. It's quite good how it does this. And there you go, engine oil level okay. It's at the maximum, as it says just there. It's measured it, it's happy with it. We're done. Well, there you go, service done. And the day, it's gone from freezing cold this morning when I was flying, windy and horrible, to clear blue sky. I wonder what's happening to the world. It's like the weather's being manipulated. Anyway, catch you on the next one. Thanks for dropping by. Thanks for sticking with me. Hopefully it'll be interesting and maybe somebody will find it useful. Catch you later. Bye bye.